Greetings, phenomenal LTDE 5320 students. Welcome to Module Week 4 of our course, in which we will focus upon evaluating the appropriate use of multimedia tools in student-centered instructional endeavors. Let's go ahead and begin by exploring the Module Week 3 learning resources. Within this section, you will see that the objectives we will be focusing upon this week include examining various multimedia structures and determining which most effectively address instructional design, as well as evaluating the appropriate use of multimedia tools in facilitating student-centered instructional endeavors. You see that there is a journal article to review. This week, you will also have the opportunity to begin familiarizing yourself with Google Scholar if you have not used this resource before, as this will be very helpful for you later in the course as you are designing a multimedia research summary and analysis. And so this video is here for you to prepare for that assignment. And then also you will see that there is a website that features 101 EdTech tools that are for use for education experts. This is updated in 2020, so this is a recent list that you will use as you are selecting a tool to feature this week in creating a tutorial to share with classmates. Let's now go ahead and look at the discussion forum and the assignment for this week. So in this discussion forum, as I mentioned in the previous week's video, you will be sharing the collaborative digital story that you created with your group in Module Week 2 of the course. And so in this initial thread, you will submit a link to your collaborative digital storytelling project, and you will want to do this as early as possible in order that you will be able to share this amazing resource with your classmates. And so this will happen by Monday of Module Week 3. And then you will want to reply to at least 2 peers by Thursday of Module Week 3. And as you do, please consider the following questions. What makes this digital story especially meaningful? What primary messages does this digital story convey? And what other pieces of constructive feedback can you share? And so again, for your initial post, you will simply want to share a link to your group's digital story, and then you will want to find 2 digital stories created by other groups that you can review and to which you can provide feedback. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the assignment for this week. Through this assignment, you will have the opportunity to engage in a reciprocal learning experience in which you will research a new tool to be used in educational settings. You'll think about some applications of that tool and share the ins and outs of the tool as well as the applications through an instructional video. Now, this will be a reciprocal learning experience because you will have the opportunity to share this video with classmates within next week's discussion forum. And so you will be sharing your video as well as viewing others' video tutorials in order to learn more about a tool with which you were previously unfamiliar. So as we go ahead and click on this assignment, I'm going to open up the instructions for this assignment. You will see that you are being asked to explore the list that I previously mentioned, and then you will use Screencast-O-Matic or another screencasting tool to create a tutorial over the tool of your choice. And so basically you are looking for a tool that allows students to create multimedia finished products within classroom settings. So basically multimedia tools or resources are being used to promote meaningful, engaging learning experiences. And so the point of this tutorial is that you not only demonstrate to your classmates how this tool is used. So for example, is there login information required in order to access this tool? Once a user logs in, what are the next steps for using this tool? So basically, you're giving an overview of how a teacher or students would use this tool within an instructional setting. And then also, you're going to discuss applications to real-life instructional environments. And so, again, you're creating this tutorial, you're sharing this tutorial with classmates, and by the end of next week, module week 4, we will have a library of tutorials contained within our discussion forum. So I'm very excited to view the videos that you will create and also to see the feedback that you will eventually provide to classmates as you are learning about new tools for multimedia creation within classroom settings. Please don't hesitate to reach out with questions or concerns regarding any of the requirements for this week. It is an honor and a joy to journey alongside you. God bless you all.